Division of large number, dividing by one digit. Here we have 72894, that is 72,894. So this is dividend. You all know the terms. Whatever the answer will be, that will be quotient, and this is divisor. So you all know how to divide the sum. Even then I am going to explain you according to large number. So come to the very left side number. Very next number next to the divisor, that is 7. 7 is smaller than 8, so we will go for the 2 digit. Put it here 0. And this step is must. Do it like that. Then 8 nines are 72. Again we have 0, then we take 8. 8 ones are 8. So now look at here the positions. 0 here, 9 here, 1 here. Now take 9. So 8 ones are here, we have to put it like that. 8 ones are 8. So here we have 1, 4. So 8 twos are 16, means more than 14. So we will go again for 1. So here we have 8. So that is, remainder is 6. 6 is remainder, that is remainder. And how to verify the sum? This you all know. What is the verification? We have done earlier, that is verification. I am doing it here. This is verification. How to do that? How to do that? Verification means dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Divider multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Remainder. So this is dividend is equal to D. We will take like that. D into multiplied by Q plus R. So we have divisor 8 multiplied by quotient 9111 plus 6. So multiply this with 8. So what will be here? Do it like that. 9111. 8 multiplied by 9111 and plus remainder. So the answer will be same like that. You do it and then you will get the answer 72894. This is called verification. You all have done in your earlier classes. So when the question is demanding about verification, only then you do verification. Otherwise, this is full calculation and you go through that. But by this you come to know that your division sum is right or wrong. So if you do it in your rough side notebook, then it will be easy for you, because you will come to know that your division sum is right or wrong. Here we have division by 2-digit number. So 35, and here we have dividend divisor 35, dividend 99,826. First we go to the digit in the ones place. So here we have 2 digits, so put it here 0. So here we have 0, 0, 0, 99. We will take 9 here. Now you all know 35 into 2, that is 70. So here we have 35 twos are 70. So here we have 9, 2, now 8. Now we will see how many times 35 will go in 298. You just take, here we have 35 into 270. So direct you take 5 or 6. 6 we have 33, 18, 19, 20, 21. So here this is less. So we will take 35 into 8. So here we have 24, 28. So here we have 35 8s are 280. Now minus 8, here we have 8, 1, 0. Now take it here 2. Now 182. So 35, 5s are, that is 15, 16, 17. So this is this. So it will go 35 5s are. That is 175. Now what will be here? We have to minus. So here we have 7, 0, 6. 35 twos are 70. So the remainder is 6. Quotient is this, and this is divisor. So we will verify the division sum. So what is verification formula? That is verification. So that is dividend. Dividend means this number. This number is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So we have 35 into 2852 plus 6. First multiply it, then do it this. So when we multiply this number, answer is 99826. 99820 plus 6. So here we have 99,826. So by this method you come to know that your answer is right or wrong. Here division by 10, 100 and 1000. Simple. If you want quotient and remainder, then no need to divide. This is simple way. If we are doing 560 divided by 10, it means that here we have 0, 0. Means remainder is 0 and quotient is 56. Here we have 19,950 divided by 100. So two numbers, that is 50 remainder and 199 is quotient. This is quotient. So 1000, take three numbers remainder, rest quotient. So here we have 489 quotient and 729 remainder. If you want simple answer, like no need to calculate, no need to divide, as we have done multiplication by 0 like that. If you are doing divide by division by 10, then you take ones place, that is remainder, rest of the digits quotient. If you are doing divide by 100, means two place we have remainder, rest of the digit we have quotient. If you are doing 4 crore 89 lakh 7, no sorry, this is 4,89,729. If we are doing by 1000, means three places we will take remainder, rest of the digit we have quotient. So this is the way. But when we are doing division, that we will do according to that property of division. Property of division, that I am going to explain you now. Property of division. Now look at here, properties of division. If we divide a number by 1, the quotient is the number itself. 285 divided by 1, the quotient is 285. Now next one is, if we divide a number by itself, the quotient is 1. Means if we divide 285 by 285, the quotient is 1. Now look at here very carefully, these two sentences. If we divide 0 by a number, the quotient is 0. If we divide 0 by a number, the quotient is 0. But this is, see the equation, dividing a number by 0 is incorrect. So look at here both the equations and just listen this. If we divide 0 by a number, the quotient is always 0. Means this one is right. But dividing a number by 0 is incorrect. Means here we have incorrect. So these are the properties of division. Divide by 1, divide by the number itself. 1 means the number itself. Divide by the same number, the answer will be 1. Divide by the 0, the answer will be 0. Now here, divide the following. Now look at here, as we have done multiplication, dividing by 10, 100, 1000. Simplest way, we have some tricks in maths. So we have to follow, though don't go for long division. If you have number 96,325 divided by 10, means 1 0, so this is remainder, rest of the number is quotient. So we have quotient 9,600, this one is quotient and remainder is 5. So again here we have ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. We have 2,35,476 divided by 100. So two zeros are here. So we will take this as a remainder. We have remainder 76 and quotient is 2354. 2,354. So here we have 3 zeros, so take it like that. So this digit is quotient 4123 remainder is 78 or 078. So here again we have two zeros. So this is remainder. Rest of the digit we have quotient. So quotient is 2, 3, 5, 4. Remainder is 76. Now here we have this one. So ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. How to read the number? Start from here. Large number, very large number. Start from here. Now in your mind you count that ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So the number is 5 crore 20 lakh 14,789. So 789 is remainder. And this much is quotient. This is quotient. Quotient is 52014. Like that. Here this is very simple. 0 is remainder. Rest of the digit is quotient. So here we have one. Now I'm again going to read this number. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. We have 8 crore 74 lakh 39,210. So what to do? We will take here, this is remainder and this much is quotient. Here we have 2 digit for remainder. So remainder we have 69 and quotient we have 3025. 3025. So this is the way to find out the quotient and quotient and remainder when we are going to do division by 10, 100 and 1000. So this is trick, this is simple way. Don't go for long division. Just do this and do division like that.